Hey everybody, glad to be back with you. It's Tina from McNear Brick. So today I'm going to be introducing you to some of our darker profiles. So let's take a look over here, and we're looking at our Centurion profile. This is a long linear profile, and you're looking at the color Norfolk. The length of the Centurion is 16 inches and a quarter in length. The height is 1.5 inches in height, and for thin brick, you're looking at 3/4 of an inch thick. It's also available in the full bed depth as well. So if you get on the website at McNear.com, you'll see different sizes and shapes that are available to you when you're doing your specification. So with the Centurion profile itself, it was replicated to, look like an ancient brick. And in, the past times, they would put the clay and dirt in and mold, so they wouldn't be perfectly straight. So within this profile, it's going to get some of that organic feel and movement to the edges. So, and that's meant to happen because we want it to look like that ancient brick. So during specification with the Centurion, you'll be looking at a TBA, which is a thin brick architectural specification. So let's take a look at a few of the loose pieces on the table. So I want to show you the different range of color that you'll find in this profile. So you'll see some of the sheen there on that brick, which is beautiful. There's some red pieces, which you find, a little bit of, not much. And the texture itself, you'll have some of the sand finish on the face. And then with the other profiles, you'll have the sheen and not so much of the sand finish. So this is a beautiful look at our Centurion Norfolk profile. So as we go over here, I'm going to show you the Norfolk in the standard size. So it's pretty interesting to see how different, the color can take on the different sizes. So again, we're looking at the range of color. It's not necessarily the percentage that you'll find in that blend, but it is showing you the range of color that's provided in that, blend itself in the profile. As we step over here, we're looking at our Manchester, which I love. So the Manchester is also one of our darker profiles, and you'll see some of the sand finish on this and also some wire cut. So that's included in the blend. And for this one, to me, I feel like you get more of that leathery feel because you have that range of color. You'll have some dark and some of the darker taupe brown undertone colors, that are within this blend. So love the Manchester. Now let's step over and take a look at the Cumberland. And we've had the Cumberland for a little bit now, and this is on a sand mold finish. So with our sand mold, the way we do our manufacturing is we tumble the sand mold green, so you get these really nice soft edges, so you won't have those really straight edges that you would see, say, on the Town series on the Manchester here, the straight edges. So that's due to the fact that we tumble this green to give that softness to the edges. So you'll see the range of color and texture within our Manchester. So now what I'm going to show you is a sneak peek. So we have a new ongo process which allows us to put coatings on our brick. And as we're looking at this, it is on a wire cut. So you'll have feel that depth to this brick. So it's a beautiful coating. So today I'm showing you the dark coatings. So we have the ability to provide you with other colors as well. So just reach out and ask us if you have any questions of different color ranges that you're looking for. So as we step over here, I am showing you another one that's a little bit more depth and, to the darkness of this brick. But as we get closer, what is great with this is you also have some of that sand finish, and then you also have some of the wire cut here. So that as we step away from it a little bit, beautiful brick. At this point, since these are special product that we're just making. I don't have a name for it yet, but like I said, I'm giving you a sneak peek so you know that we have the ability to manufacture these darker brick. So as we're coming back, let's take a look at our McNear brick catalog. And if you don't have this catalog, let us know and we'll get that to you. If you want any samples, we'd love to get you the samples as well. So as we get closer, What makes McNear Brick unique is we're anywhere from 30 to 100% recycled content. So it's great. So would love to have you give us a call and help you with any specifications you have for this dark profile. Okay, take care. Love to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.